What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be checking out facial recognition on the new LG Stylo 5. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so a lot of people wanted to know about facial recognition. A lot of people want to unlock their phone a few different ways other than just go ahead and swiping on the screen or putting in your PIN or even using a fingerprint sensor. So we're going to go and try this out and we're going to see just how good facial recognition is. So first thing you want to do is go to settings, so go ahead and click on that settings. Next we're going to go ahead and type in facial recognition, so let's go ahead and do that. As you guys see, we have it right here, facial recognition. Go ahead and click on that. Now it gives you a few different warnings and such, so they have notes right here. Face recognition is a secondary unlock method that results in your phone being less secure, so your phone is less secure. So make sure you do not have a cousin that looks like you, or a doppelganger, or even a twin, because a twin will probably be able to open this. It also says the data used to recognize your face is kept private on your phone. To save power, the face recognition will not work below level 5%. So facial recognition is not going to work under 5% battery life. Just keep that in your mind somewhere, because a lot of people are going to get pissed off when they have under 5%. They're going to be like, yo, TechRight, why isn't my facial recognition working? And that is why it's probably not working. So let's go ahead and set this up. So we're going to go ahead and start this off real quick, and I'll be back in a sec. So we finally set up facial recognition. We do have advanced face recognition. It says make it harder to unlock with an image or video. This may slow down the facial recognition, so this may be a bit slower, but we're going to go ahead and check this out and see how it works. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and check out this facial recognition in a sec. So let's go and turn on the phone, take a look at it, and it's already unlocked. That's actually really fast. Let's go ahead and try that again. Turn it on, look at it, unlocked right there. Try it, third time the charm. Look at it, unlocked, open it up. Awesome, and I'm not actually using the fingerprint sensor. Let's go ahead and keep all fingers on the side just to show that I'm not cheating. Let's go and try this again. 3, 2, 1, open up. Boom. Unlocks really fast. Facial recognition is super fast on the LG Stylo 5, maybe even a little bit faster than the LG Stylo 4. So if you guys want to go ahead and try that out, that is literally all you have to do. Go to the settings, go ahead and set that up. And if you guys do want something a little bit more secure, turn on advanced facial recognition, and let's see if that is actually fast as well. So let's go ahead and turn this off, look at it, and that is pretty fast as well. So if you guys want to go and use that, that is always in the settings. It's this really awesome feature for security. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang, and also turn on the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.